Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool Amazon right here, and basically what this is a mini compact projector. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and this is basically what the product looks like. If you see in the top right here, they mention how she has a 1080p quality in terms of video quality. It has AirPlay and Mirrorcast option if you guys want to use that option. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open the inside to show you guys what it looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you can definitely see the product inside right here. It's all well protected, but let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you can definitely see the part right here. So the part you got instruction manual right here, and then part you got some cables, and then right here we do have the projector. But let's take everything out first. So right here we do have the instruction manual to teach you guys how to set a product and also how to use as well. And then here we have the first cable, which should be the AV cable. Next cable that we got right here should be the HDMI to HDMI cable. So when we take it out, this actually looks like right here. Next right here we do have the third cable, and this is the cable you guys want to use to actually activate the product and charge it up. And then right here we do have the remote. So when you guys take it out, this is basically what the remote looks like right here. If we turn to the back right here, they do have a battery compartment. So when you guys open up, you definitely want to put the batteries inside right here. Eventually actually requires two AAA batteries, which is not included. So you need to have your own batteries ready. And then last but not least, we have the actual projector right here. So let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, you can definitely see the projector right here. So we do have a power button right here, and we do have a scrolling option on here as well. So I'm assuming the scrolling option, the wheel option right here is for you guys to adjust the volume on here. And right here we have an up and down button. There's an OK button and a back button as well. If we turn to the back part here, you can definitely see there's a lot of outlets on here. So this is based on plugging the cable to actually activate the product. Right here we have the keystone option, and then right here we do have two USB options. So one of them is probably for like the flash drive, and the other one for charging and the flash drive. And then right here we do have the HDMI option, and right here we do have aux option, and right here we do have the VA option. And then right here we have another thing that's probably like a sensor or something. And that means throughout the part right here and on the sides as well, they do have like the speaker and also the air vent as well. So that way the product won't overheat. If you guys turn on this side right here, I'm assuming this is a focus button for the actual projector itself. And if you guys turn on the front part right here, you can definitely see the brand logo right here. And right here we do have the little cover for you guys to actually cover up the projector. So when you guys are ready to use it, just pull it out. And that is basically what the projector looks like in the front. And then once you guys are done, just cover it back up. And then the bottom part right here, you can definitely see that they do have like a non-slip material on the bottom. So that way the product won't move around once you guys fully set it up. And then right here we do have a tripod option. So if you want to set this up on a tripod, you can definitely do that as well. And then for this option right here is a little tilting option. So if you guys unscrew it, it basically comes out. And once you guys put it onto the table, it actually stands up a little bit or tilt up a little bit. And definitely when you guys feel the overall part right here, it's definitely pretty lightweight. It's actually pretty small as well compared to like your normal projectors. It's still pretty big, but it's just not as big as your normal projectors. They're much bigger than this one. And also for the projector right here, they mentioned how it has the 5G wireless connection on here. So definitely when you guys connect your device via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, it should definitely work really, really well. Or if you guys want to use like the other outputs like I mentioned, like HDMI, you can definitely use that as well. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Let me actually go test this out to show you guys how it works and what actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the product all set right here. And I also have my remote set up as well. So let's turn it on. So you can see right now it's out of focus. So I do need to refocus first. Alright, so that looks a lot better. And they do give you guys a keystone option right here. So that's why it's so tilted like this. So I just want to fix that as well. Alright. So once you fix it, it definitely looks a lot better. So definitely when you guys first get it, you need to set up everything on here first. Alright, so once we finish setting it up, this is basically what the product looks right here. There's definitely the movie option, photo option, music option, and text option on here. You can definitely get like the input source here as well. So if you guys want to use like HDMI, AV, or multi-screen option, using like a computer or something, you can definitely do that on here. If you go to settings side, you can definitely see there's a lot of stuff on here as well. So first thing I want to do is actually connect it onto my device first, which is a Fire TV stick. So I'm gonna plug in the back part right here. Alright, so you probably can't see it in the actual camera right here. But it basically asks you guys, are you sure you want to change it to HDMI? So I'm gonna click yes. So you can definitely see I actually connect it onto Fire TV right here. And right out the bat, when you guys plug it in, you can definitely hear the projector on here. It is pretty loud because of the ventilation fan that's on here. But when you see when I actually set it up, it definitely does work. So because we're using the Fire TV stick, I can't use the remote that's actually for the projector. I need to get the remote for the Fire TV stick. So I'm actually do that first. Alright, so I got the remote for the Fire TV stick. Let me actually test it out to show you guys how it works. So let me just play something on YouTube. Is it worth it? Zionist mattress.
Getting that from YouTube.
Alright, so I got one of my videos right here. Let me actually turn it on. Obviously we do have the ads on here first. Let me increase the volume on here. So the maximum is 100. Alright, so right here we got the memory foam mattress. This one is the 12-inch gel memory foam. So I've been a big fan of this brand in particular because of their material that they use. So you can definitely see the image quality on here is definitely pretty high quality like I mentioned. So it is a 1080p quality. And also when you guys listen to audio on here, it is pretty good. But I feel like it could be better. So if you guys want to put in like your own speaker, you can definitely put in your own speaker on the side if you guys want to. But you definitely have the option to use the remote like what I'm doing right now. Or if you guys want to use the buttons on the actual device to actually control it, you can definitely do that as well. I think if you guys use the little wheel option to actually change the volume on here, it's much easier than using the remote. But this is basically what the product looks like right here. If you can see, it definitely works pretty well. And obviously the way how I actually set up the screen right now is definitely pretty small. If you guys want to make it bigger, you can definitely bring the projector further away. So that way I should project it even bigger. Supposedly based on what they mentioned, it can go up to like 300 inches or something like that. But it definitely can go pretty wide. But definitely if you can see the way how she set it right here, it definitely looks pretty nice. We definitely have this part right here sticking out a little bit, so that way it's tilted up a little bit. But this is basically what the product looks like right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice quick test, the product definitely see that she does work and she works quite well. If you can see the whole setup process is actually pretty easy. You can definitely use it for a lot of different things, such as like iOS device, Android device, TV sticks like Fire TV sticks, and etc. But definitely see from an actual test that we did, you can definitely see that it actually works really well. And I definitely love the high quality speaker that's on here as well. You definitely get a high quality on here when you guys actually use this to actually watch movies or whatever. And when you guys actually use the projector, you can definitely see the high quality image on here as well. And obviously for the speaker option right here, if you guys think it's not enough, you can definitely plug in or connect your own speakers on here to actually get a better experience. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and test the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. And especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality mini projector that has everything on here in terms of the high quality video quality and all the other features as well, such as the Bluetooth option, the Wi-Fi option, and etc. Then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.